Hey guys, it's Kat Fowler. So I just wanted to go over the Am I Doing ABA, the little clip that I talked about and wrote down for Module 1. So according to the checklist, I'm working on ABA. In my original description in Module 1, it looks like I met 5 out of the 7 dimensions, and this gives me the 71%. I was able to find the following dimensions in my initial post: applied, analytic, behavior, conceptually systematic, and generality. However, I was missing the effective and the technological. So I think that in order to kind of make it better and add those little sections, I think I could be a little more specific on what interventions that I'm giving. I think that using those specifics, not just saying like a research-based intervention, but actually being specific in saying like, oh, I'm doing number worlds, or I'm doing booster blast, or bridges intervention. Another thing that I could do as far as effective is actually describe that a little bit more. I didn't exactly talk about any results in noticeable changes, or mostly like the noticeable changes part. I didn't really talk too much about that. So those would be 2 things that I would add to make that a little bit better. Yeah, so I guess my takeaway from this is that in the description I gave, I wasn't quite specific enough. I definitely feel like I do these on a regular basis. However, my description wasn't thorough enough. So, thanks.